What's up, citizens? Welcome back to my channel. I can't remember the last time I did a video where I actually talked. All these voiceovers. Today we're going to be doing an updated wash day routine from start to finish. So this is what we're washing, obviously. I want to show you guys what I currently do for my wash day, and I'm going to start by taking down each section one after the other. So I typically start my wash days off with a Prepoo, which is a hair mask that it's applied to hair before you shampoo your hair. So I apply the Prepoo to my hair and then I let it sit for anywhere from 20 minutes to 1 hour and more. But today I'm not going to be doing a Prepoo today because I woke up feeling exhausted and I have quite a few things to do today, so I don't have the luxury of sitting with a mask in my hair for for even up to maybe 10 minutes. So I'm just going to wash my hair and then I'll proceed to moisturize like I usually do. So the first thing that I do is I take down my hair. Depending on what I'm working with, I just part it into sections if it needs to be parted into sections, or I just wash it like this.
So that's just the sound of generators in the background, guys. Pardon me. I had to cut my speech in half and now we have to substitute speech with voice over, which is still speech. But here I'm simply combing out my hair, and I comb out my hair dry because I realized that this actually helps to reduce the amount of tangles I have to deal with when I start pouring water through my hair. My hair is not completely dry. I moisturized at least twice a week, and so there's oil in my hair, there's a bit of product in my hair, and that enables the combing process to be easy. So once I'm done with one section, I tie that up and I proceed to repeat the same process with the second section. Once again, I start by taking down my braid, and I usually do this without any combs. I only use the comb to comb out my hair to make the washing process easy, and then I proceed to shampoo and condition and do whatever else needs to be done. This new wash day routine of mine is very easy to do if you have longer hair, and it will save you quite a lot of time. You won't spend that much time unless you do an intense hair mask. So I'm gonna go ahead to explain a bit more in a couple of seconds.
So the next thing that I'm going to do is to saturate each of the sections with water. Typically my hair type is 4B4C and my hair porosity is low porosity, and typically I wash my hair in sections, but I actually had to learn how to wash my hair in just these two major sections to save time for me, and so I don't sleep in the bathroom on wash days. So I'm going to go ahead and wet this section.
After I wet the first section, the next step that I do is detangling again. So this is about a 7-step process. You have the takedown, which I don't usually count in, and then there's the detangling, the first one, which I do on dry hair, and then I go ahead and shampoo using my DIY African black soap shampoo. Afterwards, I detangle again because the shampoo actually has slip and enables me to get through tangles and comb through my hair much easier. It also helps to define my curls and just gives my hair an overall soft feel, which I like so much. After shampoo, I comb my hair again with my white tooth comb, and then I proceed to apply my conditioner, and then I detangle once more before I proceed to rinse out my hair, do a mask if I intend to, or apply some deep conditioner. That's the part that I skipped today. And then afterwards, I go ahead to rinse my hair out thoroughly, and I proceed to moisturize. Moisturizing is the last step, guys, and then I pick a protective style and then I do that. So here I'm simply washing my hair and scrubbing my scalp thoroughly. My black soap shampoo lathers a lot, so a little goes a long way. I simply work that through my scalp and then I use my fingers to detangle before I go in with the comb. So you can see how easy it is to comb through my hair. Not a lot of shampoos can afford you this luxury of combing through your hair while you use shampoo. Typically we comb through our hair when it's conditioner that's in there, but with black soap shampoo I'm able to comb through my hair and get all those tangles out. So that's what I'm simply doing here before I go ahead and use my conditioner. For my conditioner, I'm using the Veet Gold conditioner mixed with some Alberto VO5. Those two are my go-to conditioners. Super affordable, super cheap. And this is the process that I use to apply my conditioner to make sure that I don't use too much product and to make sure that these big sections that I do get just as much product as small section. So I apply the conditioner as though I'm applying gel to a sleek hairstyle. I just apply the conditioner to my palms and sleek it all the way over my section. Then I go ahead and apply it to my ends as well, and then I comb through my hair, and that is it. The conditioner is done. I go ahead and I pack my hair. I let that sit for about 10 minutes because it really softens my hair and it just gives my hair that extra conditioning that it needs since I'm not applying a deep conditioner. And then I go ahead and rinse that out.
So I'm finally done with the conditioner, and this is all the hair that I've lost. My breakage has reduced greatly from times past. So this is how much hair I lost, and it's not a lot at all. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize now. This is my current leave-in conditioner. It's the Mamaya Organics Break-Free Leave-In Strengthener. This one contains black castor oil and avocado oil. It repairs, it strengthens, it conditions. I have a review of this somewhere on the channel, but you have to scroll down. I suggest if you need a review, you just tap on my videos and then tap on that arrow where you see newest, most popular, and then oldest, and then you tap on oldest. From there you should be able to see this review. And then I have my whipped shea butter. So the containers are similar. This is an upcycled container, and when I'm done with all of that, I'm going to apply some hair growth oil, and this routine will come to an end. So the protective style that I chose to do today was cornrows. I just made some really big cornrows and then I carried those for a week, and I proceeded to update my wash day and change my protective style. And that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something new or two. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you aren't subscribed, and don't forget to tap the bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I post new content. By the way, I also oiled my scalp like I usually do after a brand new protective style. Back to this channel, guys. Give this video a thumbs up to help with engagement, to help people who need to see stuff like this to see it. Also, leave a comment down below if you feel so inclined. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.